Welcome back to today's More Report on Monday the 14th of December with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tantech Markets. Let's look at cable now, and we've had this rebound in cable over the last week and a half, again back towards this big downtrend. Big downtrend seems to be over the past 4 or 5 months, a place where you get these sort of 2-week rallies on cable, and then the selling pressure comes back in again. It seems, I still think that that's going to be the case. I mean, you've still got these momentum indicators which are not really making too much headway. I think the RSI is sort of back to a level of 50, of which the sort of selling tends to return. MACD line's not doing a great deal. Stochastics are sort of also creeping up towards a level at which the big sell signals over the past 4 months have also happened. And the fact is, you've still got this big downtrend intact. You've got the moving averages, which are generally providing the basis of resistance. So last month it found around the 55-day moving average. Previous to that, it's been the 89. The 89 comes in around 53.12. Until you get a break above that 53.35 reaction high from November, I don't think that you can really trust this as a recovery. That you'd say that it's a sustainable move. I still think this is a rebound within the downtrend, and I think it's should be traded as such, and subsequently I think you're going to see in this, sorry, let's go back to the daily chart, in this sort of 52 figure to 52.50, which is where that downtrend currently comes in, sort of 50 ticks there. I think you're going to see your next sell signal, that's likely to come potentially on the Fed. However, it'll be interesting to see if it happens before then, but your chances are you're going to start to see a bit more quiet trading on this chart. But here you can see on the hourly, 51.10 is this sort of main support that comes in on this near-term chart. You've got a minor level of pivot below that if it breaks down around 50.80, but again then below 51.10 you're not really looking at serious support until 49.55 area. But certainly it looks like this sort of little rebound you've had could even be rolling over already, because you've got the negative sort of negative divergence on the RSI and the MACD's lines with these two highs over the past 3 days. So maybe even now you're starting to see this upside move lose impetus, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. But just for now, we're seeing a very minor element of support coming around that the old breakout, that high around that 51.50 mark. But as I said, the main support is 51.10, and I'd be still looking out for, on this main chart here, another sell signal to come in this range to give you this sort of week and a half, 2-week rally, and to start to fall away again, likely in all likelihood. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later then.